university was established in 1964 on degraded farmland with a few hectares of remnant vegetation also inherited. This includes a patch of Sydney Turpentine-Ironbark Forest, an endangered ecological community.
We had made good progress on bush regeneration since 2010, but in 2023 decided to take a novel approach to tackling the most hard to restore sections. We established measurable targets that became one of the university's commitments under an innovative sustainably linked loan.
Macquarie University was one of the first institutions in Australia to connect financial incentives in the form of interest savings that could be reinvested into scholarships with ecological recovery. Our goal is to go beyond business as usual, increasing our high integrity forest area by 25% over 5 years and making real progress against sustainable development goals. Students, staff, researchers and the community are part of the process, with people using their volunteering leave to regenerate bushland, undertake field surveys, conduct research and coursework projects, and monitor wildlife. It builds on the restoration of Mars Creek, a previous sustainability bond initiative which recreated a section of the creek previously piped underground with a thriving species-rich riparian habitat.
As significant development has occurred all around the university, our lush 126 hectare campus has become the area's green lungs, offering hands-on experiences that reconnect people to the forest that once covered this area. Because it is only by understanding the value of what we have and working together to restore it that we can advance a greener future.